I wonder if I'm gonna catch one of them big bass like I did last year. You know, I'm wondering who's gonna win the game on Monday night, the Cowboys or the Browns? I'm rooting for the Cowboys.
Oh man. Oh, it's a big one. Oh, I got you now. I got you. Come here. What the? Are you serious? Hello? Hello? Oh, hi, honey. What? You're having the baby now? Are you serious? Yeah. No, I can't. My car broke down. Hold on a second. Yeah, my car broke down. I'm at Pep Boys. Yeah. Yeah. No, I'll try to get a taxi. I'll be there as soon as I can. I love you. Bye. Oh man. Oh, got you. Come here.